Can you hear me now? Oh my god, it's just, I'm so tired right now. I'm so tired right now. I'm sorry, guys. I'm sorry. But you guys know that I uploaded on my main channel a 28-minute raw video without any editing, and like, oh my god, the amount of like, I don't know. I mean, I didn't mean to upload it, but that was I'm so tired right now because on that night that I actually uploaded that video, that's the night that I went to bed at 5 AM trying to get that video up for you guys, because I was like, I'm staying up until I get this video up for you guys. I'm doing it for you guys. So I went to bed at 5 AM, and then the next day I got up at like 9, so I only had like 4 hours of sleep. But yeah, last night I went to bed at like 2 AM, and like now it started to like hit me, the tiredness started to hit me. Like I can go to bed once at 5 AM, but then after that I need to go to bed earlier, otherwise I'm going to be so tired for anything. Hey Cray, I'm a horrible person, I'm sorry, what? But yeah, welcome back everybody. I see you guys in the chat. Welcome back to my sponsors, Minecraft Doodler, Jackson Plays, Fabby50, Bloxyway, Tyrell. Who else we got in here? That's it. I think that's it. Welcome back, guys. We're doing some more development today. This isn't going to be a full 2-hour stream because I've actually got to leave or I'm going to end off at 12 o'clock. So that's in about an hour and 10-12 minutes from now. So it's not going to be a full live stream today, unfortunately. But I will be doing a full live stream tomorrow, so don't you guys worry about that. Also, I haven't made my bed either. I'm so unorganized today. But it's because I'm so tired and I literally just got up. So I might actually have to make a coffee real quickly. Alright, if it's in development, why does the title say server fun? Okay, there you go, I'm so tired. I'm so tired. I literally copy and pasted. I'm gonna call it I'm gonna call it what bit could I call it? Stuff. Oh my god. Alright. I honestly don't even know what to call it. It's gonna be like the best live stream. Haven't even got music going. Let's get music going. Have you guys seen my new video I published last night? Who's seen it? Alright, where is this? Who's seen it? That's pretty cool. I just put it together. Me? What did you guys think of it? I saw it, both of them. Hee. Oh no, I'm not talking about that video. I'm talking about my brand new video. I'll play it on live stream. I can play it on live stream. Yo, cheers YouTube for recommending my own live stream to me. Oh, that's an ad? Oh, no, it's not. Alright, hold up. Let's make sure this is all good. Alright, so you can still go watch it yourself if you want to. Get the full experience. But it's a trailer for the new icon update. I don't know why this song rendered out loud though. So you find your way back home.
Don't let me drown.
So yeah, pretty cool. Yeah, I didn't know why the audio rendered out loud. Like I didn't increase it or anything. Maybe I accidentally increased it. I don't know. But normally that song isn't that loud, because that's even in our playlist on the streams, and it's never. Oh, maybe it's because it's like turned down a lot. I think it's just a loud song in general. But yeah, what do you guys think of that? What do you guys think of that? Rip my ears? Yeah, rip headphone users pretty much. Hey Cray, I'm back in Sweden. You're in HD on my screen again. Awesome, dude. That's awesome. Yes. Finally. Glad you can actually read the stuff again. That was beautiful. Yeah, I use Adobe Premiere Pro. I don't know. Did I actually? Hold on, I'll check it. We'll see if I did. See if I did actually turn the audio up. You can see it here. Ah, maybe I did. Ah, nah, I didn't. Audio, nah. I didn't touch anything to do with the audio. It's just a loud song. It's just a loud song. Let's have a look. I can do this too. Yeah, no, the volume thing in the middle of it's still there. So I must not have done it. We got a super chat here from MCPE TPX for the $1. Cheers, dude. Appreciate you. How you doing, dude? But yeah, that was that. Hey, there it is. Cheers, dude. Filled up the little cheese and cracker supply jar. Hey, Cray, how did you make the camera like that? So I used a mod called Aperture. Really awesome mod. But then there was also, you know, shaders as well to get the depth of field effect. So with the combination of all that stuff, you can do some really cool stuff. I really enjoyed it because like it just reminds me of actually, you know, doing photography, doing videography in real life. So that's why I really liked it. Doing that, I liked creating that. What's that software? Oh, that's Adobe Premiere Pro, the editing software, and then the mod was Aperture. I might put it in the description of that video soon, or after the live stream. What's your opinion on IntelliJ and Eclipse? What do you prefer? I used to use Eclipse, and I was always like, you know, told to switch over to IntelliJ because it's like better. But mainly like the reason why I didn't switch over is because I was so just, you know, I was so used to just using Eclipse. I didn't want to spend the time to learn a different IDE, which is a perfectly valid point. I didn't have the time to learn like something new, which I'm already like, you know, my workflow was already really good. But then when I got my new computer, I actually switched over to IntelliJ. And what I discovered is you can actually change all the key mappings to match Eclipse. So like transition was like pretty much the same. Like it felt like I was using like just a different version of Eclipse that looked different. So you know what? You know, that was a really cool thing about that. I interchange Eclipse and IntelliJ depending. I don't. Why would you do that? I think if anything, I don't know. I mean, in university, we had to use NetBeans, which is not bad. Not bad. It's more. It's like lightweight, but it's still got all the features. Still got all the debugging features you'd find. But yeah, we had to use that in university. So yeah, I'm quite familiar with all the kind of main Java IDEs, so NetBeans, Eclipse, and IntelliJ. I use NetBeans in my programming class, yeah. Like we had to use it because we need to submit everything as NetBeans projects. Also, NetBeans projects are really good because you can actually just send them to everybody. You can just send them to everybody. It's pretty cool. When I'm developing Spigot, I prefer Eclipse, but for modding I use Eclipse. I think you made a typo. I think you made a typo there, dude. Hey Cray, why is Techie Data muted? You'll have to ask King Yoshi. Because I have not dealt with this. I didn't deal with the situation. For modding, I prefer IntelliJ. Yeah, that's what I thought. That's what I thought you meant to say. Can you add Wi-Fi passwords? My neighbors are smooching me off me Wi-Fi. I don't know if you answered this. I was AFK. Oh yeah, I'm going to be adding passwords to it eventually. Alright, so let's go ahead. What branch are we on? Probably fine. I like to do it through the actual GitHub app. To me it's easier. Ah, what did I do? Ah, okay. Item device. Oh yeah, that's what I need to do. Alright, we can do that today. So basically, I need to remove... Oh no, item device. Basically right. In the light switch app, alright? In the light switch app, maybe I don't need to do it, but still, basically, if you guys ever want to add in your own kind of devices and make them work with the router, basically right now it's forcing you to make it a colored device. Which is not necessarily what I want. Because let's say I do want to add in a new device, but I don't want it to be colored. Then yeah, like for instance, like the lights in that my light switch mod. There's no point of them being like different, having different, not light color, but like model color, like we've done already with the laptop and printer things with the red and on it. I was bored, so I edited the unedited version of your latest video, took out every part where you talked. I didn't upload it or anything because that would not be right. Oh my god. It'd be funny if you I said something really bad in it, and I was like, holy. I said something the worst thing I could have said in it was in it. I mean, I'm not too fussed that, you know, there was some people, I didn't read the comments, but I heard that, because I literally just deleted the video straight away. I wasn't letting anybody watch it. But yeah, I said like, I'm pretty sure I said like, because you know how I got a bird outside? You know how I got a bird outside? When I'm recording, I don't like the bird sound in the recording. Was my phone going off? Hold up. What was I saying? I forgot what I was saying. Where's the vents and office furniture you said that you would add to your community edition furniture mod? It hasn't been added yet. I should have done gun mod development today. Oh my god. Should have done gun mod. Oh yeah, I was talking about the embarrassing thing. Yeah, my bird, like, I dislike when it, like, especially when I'm recording. Live streams not too much, but when I'm recording, like, having the birds screeching in the background. every single recording, and I can't do anything about it either. But yeah, sometimes it annoys me. So I think I said like, you know, shut the F up, bird, or something in the actual video, not in like, you know, in the unedited video. Alright, because like, I'm a human, you know, I'll be like, I'm not afraid. Like, I swear in real life. I swear in real life, guys. You know, I don't swear in my videos, but I swear in real life. And usually, like, you know, if anything like that, it's like funny to watch, to be honest. It's funny to watch me getting like, you know, angry with the bird. But you know, obviously I don't put that into my videos or anything like that. You know. Like, to me, like, it's so weird, like, when you become an adult, right? I don't know, it depends on maybe, okay, maybe you have different, you know, religion beliefs and that type of stuff, you know, no swearing type thing beliefs. But in Australia here, it's quite different. In Australia, it's very, very different. But like, swearing to me, like, almost isn't like a thing. Like, swear words are only bad because we think they're bad. That's why. We only think they're bad, you know? Like, if you think about it, it's just a word. But, you know, to me, they're kind of, you know, like, washed out a bit. There's still some, like, obviously I don't just, you know, I can swear to my friends, but obviously I don't just go up to somebody in public and say it, because I know they'll probably take offense to it, and that's why I don't say it on my videos either. I only say it around friends and they don't care. I'm playing on my Nintendo Switch. Oh, that's awesome. Yeah, I love the Nintendo Switch. I still haven't finished Zelda yet. I should finish it. I'm like almost at the end, but I haven't finished it. You said you came up with an awesome minigame idea. What was it? Oh my god! No! No, my ideas are getting leaked. Hashtag leaked ideas. Yeah, I can't talk about that. It was a cool minigame. I don't know how it would be like well made though. Because I thought about it, I'm like, yeah. Play the Toad Brigade song. I don't even know what that is. So basically today we need to extract all of the thingos. The thing is, like, okay, masters. Okay, the master will be left to extreme bugs. The master will be left to extreme bugs. We could even create like a bugs. I don't know. No, bug fixes on master. Right here, I'm gonna say fixed. Because like we got a ton of bug submissions on GitHub as well. Hashtag lock screen. Yeah, maybe. Everybody wants the lock screen. I actually need to get a cup of coffee real quickly. I need to put the kettle on, guys. I need coffee or I'm just gonna be tired. Alright, fixed. Slideshow. Fixed. Fixed. Fixed slide, fixed app page screenshots. Resource format. Yeah, I see that. So what's that? Oh, that's the island device. Didn't I already do that fix? It's that one. Fixed. I think I fixed this. Let's double check before I commit that. My is here, and I might give you some money then. What? Add cheese and crackers to the mod, just as an Easter egg. You can only get them through Give. That'd be funny. So you have updated the Java docs for the device mod API dev zip. Yeah, I always put out the latest one. I did add some new docs. I did refactor some, so it'll be a little bit better, but there's still some stuff missing that I haven't completely done yet. Like, there's still some undocumented stuff. Like, I'm pretty sure I can find something. Yeah, no, that's documented. Oh yeah, we got notification now. Got all the documentation for that. Yeah, a lot of the stuff I documented. If it's undocumented, it's more of like a... I should really document these because you can actually override them. I need to document that. Yeah, document this too because it's like a standard icon library. Dialogue, yeah, I have not documented that at all. Component, yeah, I've documented that. Application, yeah, a lot of stuff. There's probably some stuff down the bottom. No. Oh, yeah, no, there's a couple of stuff. I need to get rid of that. Hey, I need to get rid of that. You don't need that anymore. Because you can get that through the actual laptop now. I saw the unedited vid. Yeah, oh my god. Download the video before it got deleted. God damn. Why did somebody re-uploaded it? Let's have a look. Let's go fish. Video. If you do have the deleted video, don't upload it, please. Nah, no one's done it. Just Hornicorp, send it to me, please. I'm not reloading it. I am most likely the only one who has it. True. I mean, I can show you guys off the bat. Like, I can, to be honest, I can look at it right now if I wanted to. Because it's just basically the raw editing. Alright, let's have a look. Hold up. I'll show you what I exported. I think it was that one. It's not a Christmas unboxing, by the way. Yeah, it was this one. So it would have been this here. This is what I uploaded. This 28 minutes of just raw recording. Let's have a look at the start here. Like, this is just so cringe. No. Look at me.
Hey guys, how's it going? It is Mr. Crayfish and welcome back. Today we are checking out new furniture in Minecraft.
Right,
so
seems
this is a
normal.
brand new model. I think it's brand new. I think it's actually Hey guys, how's it going?
I mean, it's not like awkward, you know? It's not really awkward, it's just that I need to do it again. It's pretty normal. You're so giddy. It's just like, it's not awkward, like, you know, it's like, it's kind of cringy, but like, is it really cringy? Like, you guys never see that, and then when you actually do see it, it's just like, it's like, when you see like somebody, you know, acting and they make a mistake. It's funny, right? Cray, what software are you using to edit it? I use Adobe Premiere Pro CC. You have a Switch, same. If you get my Nintendo Switch, I give you your friend code. Okay. I don't know. But like, I still got like it was weird. I still got like 5 over 5. I think it was like 550 likes. 550 likes on the video, which is insane. I don't know how. It's like, you know, it's an unedited video. This is more than I believe it was a full cringe comp, pretty much. Alright, so a server going. Alright, I'm gonna get a coffee going, guy. Oh, not live server. I'm not going on the public server. Or device server. I'm gonna go ahead and get a coffee going. Get a cup of Java going. Hashtag cup of Java. And I'll be back in a second for you guys to continue the live stream. Cup of Java. This is the best. I'll see you guys in a second. Hey! What up? Got my cup of Java. Not in my special cup though. It's not in my special cup. Derpy crayfish cup. Get a coffee. And then a keyboard cover. What? Remember my mod had a desktop? Well, in the next update, the desktop should be fully completed. Okay, that'd be awesome, dude. Yeah, I can't wait to see that. I'll definitely check it out. I love that. The start. I like the sound. I like the sound of it. The actual computer, the sound that it makes. Then you actually have a boot screen. It looks really, really cool. I'm thinking about, I don't know. I want to have like a boot screen in my mod too. So I have to do that as well. Let's have a look. Alright, so the problem was that devices wouldn't be named. Oh. Test custom name. Alright, looks like it is being sent. Cool. Whoa, holy shit. Holy shit. What went on here? It's funny that it's like, it's next to water, but it's fine. Bzz. Someone said if you drop like these into like water, it should like break. I think someone suggested that a while ago. I was like, maybe. I don't know. Where's the vents and office furniture said you're gonna add? Thought I already answered that. Thought I already answered that. Alright, so it's working, so that's good. That's all I wanted to do. Is anybody on the server? Nah, nobody's on the server. Fix custom name not sent to client. Silent. Whoopsie. Alright, so sync. I wasn't here, please say it again. Oh. I said I haven't worked, or basically I haven't worked on it in a while. Still not updated. I still haven't updated it. It's because like I have so many projects. Like, think about it. If I was to work on if I was to work on the community edition, the gun mod, the skateboarding mod, my furniture mod, the device mod, like think about that as only like one live stream a week for each mod, and how much progress would not happen within all these mods. Like think about it, like device mod wouldn't be here right now if we were only doing one live stream a week, and now we're up to 76. We're up to 76, which is insane. We're gonna get to 100, guys. We're getting to 100. I'm promising you that right now. Someone quote me right now. Someone clip me right now where I said we're getting to 100. We're getting to 100. Like this here, right? Okay, so this is a I was having this discussion with somebody on GitHub about this class, right? About this class called Application Manager, because it's basically a class that has only static methods in it. It's a stateless object, meaning that it never has any state. it doesn't have any, you know, it doesn't have any like kind of instance variables, is what I said, and that is like, you know, just your normal kind of, you could do something like, you know, doesn't have anything like this in it, right? Doesn't have anything like this in it. If it had like this in it with a constructor that assigned like that variable to something, that's not a stateless object. Basically, application manager is supposed to be like one thing. Like it's never supposed to be, it's never supposed to extend a class, it's never supposed to be subclassed, it's never supposed to have an instance, because like there's no point in, like, I'm not sure if any of you guys would use it or anything like that, but there's no point where you need application manager as an instance, because like all the calls, like there's no point in having an instance of it. Like I could do a singleton pattern with lazy loading, application is shockingly static. This is a method. Method right there. But like this is simply a way to store, you know, the registered apps. So this is where you guys actually register your applications. Then it stores the app info here. And then it has things like get available applications, get system applications, get all applications. And then you can get an application by an ID. So it's like a thing that should never need an instance of. Like, I don't go new application manager at any point. Cray, why was I banned? And you will have to type that because I have no soul. What? You have to follow up on the moderators. I'm not sure about the situation. You have to ask Yoshi. I don't know. Hey Zontic, how you doing, dude? Welcome back to the live stream. I just got done coding for 5 hours on my game. What are you working on, dude? Let me know. I want to know. Sounds interesting. What game are you creating? It's like a what programming language? My birthday is near Feb 14th. Okay, awesome. So we would do something like this: private application manager, like that. And now pretty much this class can't be used for anything. Like, I don't know, like, it's alright design. I wouldn't say it's the best design. Like, because I could do like, you know, a singleton method where it's like, it would be like this. It'd be like public static get instance return, or it would be like this. Return. I mean, not exactly like this. You gotta store like you gotta store a variable, a static variable. But I'd be like return your application manager like that, so you get an instance of it. Like, I don't know. The thing, like, let's say you actually have, right, this kind of, this kind of singleton with lazy loading. That's not, I mean, that's not lazy loading there. I'll tell you right now, it's not lazy loading. That will just return a new instance of application manager all the time. But, pretty much, if you did that type of pattern there, it would mean that, you know, application manager I mean, I don't know. Basically, I've designed an application manager for the purpose of it, you know. There's benefits to using a singleton with lazy loading, but those benefits I don't need, so that's why I haven't done it. Like, I've literally just developed to the core kind of minimal as much as I can do. And the night is over. I'm doing good. I'm making a RPG with Game Maker language using Game Maker Studio. Oh, that sounds cool, dude. Yeah, I've never worked with Game Maker. I did actually see... I was at a event at my university. It was kind of like this technology festival, and there was some like game devs there, and some of them were just created like a simple game, and they were using Game Maker Studio or whatever. I think I'm not exactly sure what it's called, but they were using that. Alright, so what we need to do is not necessarily remove like item colorable, but like for instance where we got item device, right? We just want to extend that instead. So extends item here. Oopsie, no. Item block. My bad. And then, okay, that's fine. Alright, and then just like refactor this here to be item colorable device. Do refactor. Colorable device extends item device. Pretty simple so far, if you ask me. And then in here, I think it's device items, or here we do item colorable device for those. I mean, that's not really colorable. Yeah, that's fine. I just want this to be fixed up already. Come on, Forge. Cheese hype. Yeah, we haven't done a cheese hype yet. If you guys are enjoying this live stream so far, make sure you go ahead and snap that like button. Snap it right in half, my dudes. Snap it right in half. Snap it right in half. And we're going to do a cheese hype. We did do a cheese hype last live stream, so we're going to do a cheese hype today. So if you guys don't know what a cheese hype is, you simply type in hashtag cheese hype into the chat. Hashtag cheese hype. Pretty simple. And then you post a bunch of cheese emojis along with it. So go to the emoji section, search for cheese, and then post a ton of them along with it. Let's go ahead, let's do a cheese hype in 3, 2, 1. Cheese hype! Boom! You done know. Big shock. Big shockwave of cheese coming in right now. Big shockwave of cheese. And if you're a sponsor, use the cheese and crackers. Use the cheese and crackers if you're a sponsor. Because that's an exclusive emoji. Exclusive emoji. That's what my niece says. My niece is like moji. Not emoji, moji. Oh yeah. Oh, yeah, that was a good cheese hype. That was a really good cheese hype. I'm clapping for that. Thank you. Amazing work, guys. That was a good cheese hype. Oh, good cheese hype. So much double cheese hype, oh my god. That was crazy, that took up so much of the chat right there. I was surprised yesterday, we got 2 sponsors yesterday, which is insane. 2 sponsors yesterday. Still more cheese hype coming in, still more cheese hype coming in, it's insane. So we've done that, alright, so that's the kind of easy part. That was the easy part. We could even test this by running it. I'm pretty sure it will work. From my calculations that I've run, this cheese hype is just constantly going. Can we just have a constant cheese hype? Cray, why did you get so mad at that bird? Just in the unedited version of your video. Oh my god. It's because like, right, because like, I'll start my video, right? I'll be like, hey guys, how's it going? It's Mr. Crayfish. And then that's literally, and that bird will like, the bird will start just going, during the whole entire thing. Like, and to me, it's not professional. So like, and there's not a lot I can do. It's a bird. You can't just, you know, tell it to be quiet. So I literally like, I'll keep like, I'll do my intro. I'll wait a second and wait till it goes quiet, right? Wait till the bird goes quiet, and they'll start it again. And then it does the exact same thing again, be loud when I talk. Like, I mean, it's not my bird. I'll say that right, it's not my bird. And even my parents get annoyed with it screeching as well. So it's not just myself, it's really loud, guys. It is a really loud bird. No lie, right? No lie, you can hear this bird from literally like, you can hear it from literally like 200, 300 meters away. I'm not kidding you guys. You can hear it from like 300 meters away. That's how loud that bird is. And you think about it, it's like right next to my window. So, it is a loud bird. Is it your boy? Nah, it's not my boy. That's not my boy out there. That's not my boy. My boy's inside here, inside Minecraft. That's my boy. Yeah, it's a really loud bird. I'm not lying to you guys when I say that. Like 300, not 300 blocks away. Did I say 300 blocks away? Sorry. 300 meters. 300 meters away. What was I testing out? Oh yeah, the color devices. Yeah, they work still. They're all Gucci. They all Gucci. Just want to make sure that, okay, it doesn't override anything. That's all good. When somebody says frick in the live stream, banned. You're not allowed to say frick, guys. What the frick? I love when you made that noise of the old meme in the unedited version of you. What was the meme? What was the meme? Are you going to make a laptop perfect before you start the monitor computer? It's more of like a thing I'd add in the. It's not like, it's more of a thing I'd add in the future is the monitor and computer type thing. Like, it's not like a planned feature. It is like it's an idea, but it's not like a feature that I'm 100% adding in. Because like, off the bat, this was just supposed to be like a laptop mod. You just said that word 3 times, you're banned from the stream. Ban me! Ban me from the stream! I don't care! Bans my channel. Bans literally me from the stream. Glad we got rid of that Mr. Crayfish dude. No one say frick. No one say frick or I'm banning. Yo, no saying frick. No saying frick on Roblox, please. No saying that on Roblox. If you say that on my Minecraft server, I'm banning you right now. If you say that on my Minecraft server, I'm banning you right now. Hey, Cray, now that you said something more bad than yesterday, you're 100 times banned. True. You just said it 2 more times. Another 2 times. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another one. Another 2 times. Another 2 times. Stream stopped. What happened? Nothing did. Nothing did. Everyone banned Cray and take over the whole stream. Block device. I just gotta make sure that are we overriding that? So this should extend block horizontal and then block colored. Let's refact this block colored device. So I'm actually going for I standardize all the spelling I know so far to be like US English because I know most of you guys that are going to be working with this API are going to be from the US. It's just fact. Is this right? 28 likes, 26 watching. Inception right now. Cray, this is a chill stream. Not that many people. The meme was a weird Russian singer. Oh yeah, that's what I did. Yeah, I was like, I remember that. I remember doing that. I was like, I don't know. Somehow I just got into it. I was like, I failed at it so much. That's why I didn't put it in the actual video. I want to fix your... I want to get your mod, but I'm not sure if it's a scam or not. Please tell me. Why would it be a scam? Why would it be a scam? You can download it from CurseForge. I put it up on CurseForge because it shows that it's a trusted mod. Because they actually, on CurseForge, right, they actually have people that review the mods. Like when you submit a mod, it doesn't just instantly go up here. So a moderator has to accept it, type thing. So that's why I put it on CurseForge, because I want the trust of you guys. You know that, you know, I know like I'm not gonna. You guys know I wouldn't do anything, but like still, just for other people that don't know who I am and that type of stuff, CurseForge is great for it. So, like obviously, don't just. Okay, don't assume that everything on CurseForge is safe, but it's 100% better than anything else. And like, you know, if something did get reported, it's going to be taken down quite quickly. I'll tell you that right now. If there was a mod out there that was actually doing something bad, it would be taken down quite quickly on CurseForge. I don't know what sort of stuff they have in the background at CurseForge, but would it be possible if you could make English subtitles for your videos? It's a little difficult, like, because you would need somebody professionally to do it. I might like turn on public like allow people to you know, submit their own subtitles for it. Because like it's kind of funny sometimes when people have like user submitted subtitles, and it's like they do actually, you know, subtitle it, but for like things where it's like they'll put like memes in the actual subtitles. Like it happens a lot in PewDiePie's videos, and I always like to watch PewDiePie's videos with the subtitles on, because it's like people write funny stuff in there sometimes with the subtitles. Go to my mods Discord and go to what's happening, please notice. What's up? Is that it? Oh wow, that's cool. So it looks like you're creating like a custom desktop with it. Just note, alright, just note, alright, so the actual, unless you're actually using it, you're not, I mean, that probably works. If you're not using the actual code, you haven't copied the code over, then that's probably fine. But basically, right now, I was dealing with a situation. They might be here, I don't know or not, but it's fine if they use it. Basically, I was like dealing with a situation, like, I'm trying to think of like what license do I actually use for my mod, because technically I haven't put a license. Like I've held off putting a license on this mod yet because I don't know what to do. But I think I'm going to keep with. I'm gonna go with a GPL license. And then I gotta figure out which one I want to use, because it can either be GPL2 or GPL3. GPL3 has something a little bit different. There's one thing about it that makes it different from GPL2. I think it's something like you can't prevent derivatives of your mod or software from being like installed, because like there'll be things where like for instance like Windows will only allow certain applications installed, even though that could be open source software. If you create a derivative, it won't be allowed to be installed. I think that's what it does, so it protects that, right? And I've kind of, you know, like with open, it's like I've kind of come to the fact that, you know, I wouldn't mind if you guys actually created your own versions of the device mod. I kind of think that's kind of a bit cool now. So like, let's say here, for instance, SB Joe's, you know, could be creating his own D Brown OS, and it's built upon the device mod. I think that's cool. I don't know, like, the thing is, like, when you actually, you know, release it as GPL3, right, you have to, if you know, you actually use or build upon it, you have to release that again as GPL3. It has to have the same license. So keep that in mind if you guys are ever going to build upon it. You actually have to make it open source. And if you actually do release it to the public, that means like, let's say I wanted the source code for it, you would have to give it to me legally. If you've released it to the public, you can't have the code private and then release it to the public. You actually have to have the code, you know, open source and available for everybody. I've still got to figure out my own mod, because there's a bit of a problem with the whole API, because I don't know, I might have to, oh, I've got a call, hold up. I'm gonna take this real quickly, guys, it might be important.
Sorry about that. Had to kind of, that was like a an important call. To be honest, that was an important call I had to take there. Alright, so block color device, what were you guys saying? Yeah, I don't even know what, I forgot what I was talking about. Welcome back, Cray. Hashtag Cray is back. Oh my god. Block color device. Yeah, that's a better name for it. So block horizontal. Oh, that's gonna extend block device. Soz. Now I gotta figure out this. Alright, because we might be overriding some stuff. Block placed by. Unblock placed by. Okay, that's fine. It's calling the super. I now hold up. This needs to call the super. Alright, there we go. Get pick block. Get drops. Yeah, that's fine. Colored device. I won't actually need that because in block device we're already returning that as null. Get state for placement. Let's just make sure that we're not doing anything like that. Remove tags for drop. Yeah, looks fine. I get another YouTube account and sponsor again for the 4th emoji. We can already get the 4th emoji. I just don't know what to do for it. I think we're gonna do it like Lemon Squeezy and I were gonna do like a kind of like a collab for the 4th emoji. Like we're gonna decide, we'll decide to go. I would ultimately have the end decision, but like we'll decide together on, you know, what it will be. Rave couch, rave laptop emoji. What was it? What was your favorite show when you were little? I liked a lot of cartoons. I still like cartoons. Favorite show. Fairly Odd Parents. Fairy Godparents! It must be Fairy Godparents! I can't say that for some reason. Fairy Godparents! Lemon needs $454. Like, on the reels though. He's like top donator by miles right now. Top donator by miles. Oh my god, I love that show, Mr. Crayfish. Yeah, it's awesome. If you do a laptop as a 4th emoji, then I'll sponsor just to spam it. I mean, it would be cool to have something like, you know, device mob related as an emoji. I don't know what to do. Can you do 60 FPS live stream, please? I can't, unfortunately. I don't have like the internet power to do it. I will soon though. I will soon. I'll tell you that right now. I will soon. Alright, block colored device. I'm just scared I'm gonna do something I've overridden. Something. So we need to fix up a bunch of this stuff. So that's gonna be a block colored device now. Printer 2. Router. There might be something in here. Oh no, I did super. Alright, we'll test this out, see if it works. I wonder what the big news is, yeah. Like, I don't want to announce it until, like, it's actually, like... I mean, it is technically, like, official now. But, do I want to announce it now, or do I want to announce it in the future? Some people... I think there's a couple people that already know. But it's pretty exciting stuff. I'll tell you right now, it's pretty exciting. It's going to be a new change. I am most certainly not a girl. That's good to know, Fabi. That's good to know, Fabi. I mean, I've kind of actually told it on Discord already. I think everything's the same. Yep. Everything's completely fine. Woo! Hold up. I just wanna... Device blocks. Yeah, that's fine. Block. I think it's block device. Hold up, check this. Okay, so entity is defined through the tile entity is defined through the actual class. So that's fine, because I was just scared. Block device was going to, you know, say if it had a tile entity or not. Oh, that's not in that, is it? Oh, no, it's not. He will not hear those verbs anymore. True. True. How much paper can a printer print if a printer could print paper? None. I'm bored, I think I'm gonna go. Zontic, no! Zontic, I love you. I love you. I'm gonna be ending off the live stream anyway real soon because I gotta leave in a real minute. I actually do, it's important stuff. Oh, it's, I'm still gonna be here. Hold up, I need to figure out something. Give me 2 seconds, guys. I'll be back in a sec. We Gucci? Oh, we Gucci. So I've done that now, so I've done the blocks, I've done the items. Now it's to do the actual tile entities. I need to go toilet, oh my god. I'll be back in a sec again, guys. Rip. Hashtag poo-poo Cray. Hey. Alright, I'm gonna have to end off a live stream right here, guys. I gotta go. Mainly because I gotta be somewhere at 12:30. That's 25 minutes from now. So I will see you guys later. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this live stream today. I'm gonna go ahead and do Twitter shoutouts right now for you guys that supported over on Twitter. We're gonna do sponsor right at the end. Oh my god, Dakota, you're a real one. Dakota Cruz, welcome to the Cheese and Crackers Club. Can we get some hype for him right now? You sponsors know what to do. You sponsors know what to do to welcome him to the club right now. There you go, there's the notification as well. Welcome, dude. I should really change that to the cheese. It should be like, welcome to the Cheese and Cracker Club. But let's go ahead and let's check out the retweets here. So we got Tron XT, as always. You're a real one, dude. We got Sorry Data for this profile. This is Mr. Diamond MC. Let's go ahead and check. SB Joe's retweeted. Let's check out the other people. YGamer600, Owen Davies, Omar115, Aldo Varelli, Austin TV, Jacoby, Fabi50, and Michael. Cheers, guys, for the retweets there over on Twitter. Appreciate you guys for doing that. I know some people that retweet it every single time, and I appreciate you right now. I appreciate you right now. Elsie. Alright, I'm gonna have to see you guys later. I gotta go. I seriously gotta go. Otherwise I'm gonna be late. But I'll tell you guys the big news soon. Maybe tomorrow's live stream. Tomorrow's live stream I'll tell you officially. But I'll see you guys later. Remember to snap that like button. Cheese hype. Like, cheese hype. See you later, guys.